Hi, Bill Ritchie here, surrounded by my works over 60 years. I'm going to show you my autobiography, starting with my blank screen on Google. Go to my website, emeraldaworks.com, and at the top of the page is my autobiography. But this is requiring $15 to buy, but you get a free 30-page sample. So I just go over here, click on the free 30-page sample. It takes me to page 358 and 359, and from here I can use the right pointing arrow to flip to the next page. Pretty neat, huh? And some of these pages have a QR code like that. So that's an interesting feature. It means that I can go see a video. If I run over here to the plus mark, it will zoom in, and I can hold my phone up to that QR code. I can zoom in a little further until it will be focusable on the smartphone camera. Let's go back to some more pages. There's another one. See the QR code? This is a unique feature. I made this autobiography so that it's almost like taking a history of printmaking in Seattle class. But it's a little different than your typical history of printmaking, as you will find out when you go, because you can read all the interesting little side tracks and loops to computer graphics and computers and performance arts like Norman Durkee, for example. And there's the QR code again. Here's a performance work by Dennis Evans. This is just a 30-page glimpse at my autobiography online. As I said, it's $15 to buy, and once you buy it, it's on your computer and you have a password to watch this entire 1,000-page autobiography. It's a unique opportunity to see things that, frankly, only by buying the books can you see. Well, here's page 388, and that's the end of my free look, my 30-page free look. Thanks for watching. I'm Bill Ritchie. Oh, and by the way, of course you can buy the paper versions in text only, Volume 1, Volume 2, and fully illustrated with hundreds, maybe thousands of pictures, Volume 1 and Volume 2. And of course, it's all on Amazon.com. And there's an ebook of the text only version.